Neuraltext Enterprise Marketing Platform Pricing explained what you get for your money. Neuraltext Enterprise Marketing Platform is designed for businesses that want to scale content creation and marketing campaigns using AI. Most people get this wrong. They assume Neuraltext is just a text generator, but the enterprise plan offers team collaboration, API access, and advanced analytics tailored for large marketing teams. Pricing is custom and depends on the number of users, content credits, and integrations. Enterprise users benefit from unlimited projects, priority support, and enterprise-grade security, making it ideal for agencies or multi-team organizations. Key features include content generation, SEO optimization tools, workflow collaboration, analytics dashboards, and automated content recommendations. Marketing teams can produce high-quality content faster, optimize for search, and measure engagement and performance across channels. The main advantage is efficiency at scale. Enterprise-level capabilities allow teams to reduce manual content creation time, maintain consistent quality, and base decisions on performance metrics and insights. In conclusion, Neuraltext Enterprise Marketing Platform pricing reflects the value of a scalable, AI-powered solution for content and marketing teams. For organizations looking to increase productivity, improve SEO performance, and measure content ROI, this plan provides the tools, analytics, and support necessary to succeed.